Hey guys, my name is Oshun the Great, and welcome to my beautiful channel. So today I honestly wanted to make a video on how I want an investor. Yes, an investor. Some of you guys are probably already know that I use my videos to kind of manifest things into existence. If those of you who don't notice, recently on my Instagram I posted, what did I post? Ask and you shall receive. So I'm putting my intent out there. I don't know if I have any followers that can help in this way, shape, or form, but you never know. So I'm just letting the universe and you guys know that I'm looking for investors, meaning I'm trying to open my own business. Might be on the West Coast, I'm not sure yet. I'm trying to open my own business though, like building wise, as a psychic medium. So I'm trying to take it to something legit. Even how I'm on the beach right now, I am looking for investors for a setup as far as like a tent, bigger tables, legit signs, things like that. So that's what I'm looking for right now. If you guys, know somebody, tell somebody, or if you are that person, again, if you feel like you want to invest in me, you feel like it would be something dope to do, by all means, here's your chance. But yeah, as always, otherwise, you guys can always just donate to my PayPal or Cashapp. And buy services from me that I'm offering every day. Check out my Instagram, Oshun_the_great, and that's where you can always find sales, ask me about readings, see reviews, all of that. But yeah, as always, be dope, be unapologetically. Peace.